Hello guys, in today's video we're going to see how to create a Geekpay account. Now Geekpay is a platform that gives us access to create foreign accounts like US dollar, British pounds and euro accounts that we can use to receive payments from global companies. Now to create this account you just go to Google and type Geekpay. So you click on this link and it's going to open the page for you. Global banking for Africa's professionals. Then all you just have to do is to click on create accounts. Then they'll ask you how will you like to use Geekpay. Start your effortless journey into borderless payments. Let's get started. Just click I'm a freelancer. I want to create a company account, so I will advise you to click on I'm a freelancer. Then you are self-employed and operate under your own name. Select your country of residence. So you just select Nigeria or any country that you are in. I'm in Nigeria, so I will just select Nigeria. Then click on continue. Now they are asking for email address, so you just put in your email address and then your referral code. You type your email address and you enter this referral code EMAYBEY875996 and you click on continue. Then they tell you we've sent an email, so you go to the email that you just imputed to check the message they've sent to you. So this is the email they sent to me. Let me click on it and verify. Okay, this is the code they sent. I'll just copy the code and go and paste it there. I've pasted the email. They say enter a phone number. Then you just enter your phone number that you want to use to create the account. Typing in the account, just click on continue. Now we've sent you an SMS, so you just put in the SMS message, the code that they've sent to the number. You've put in the code sent to your phone number. You just have to input your password. They ask you to input your password, and then when you input a password, then you can now sign in into the account. Then when you sign into the account, that's where you do the main verification. But now the numbers I was trying to use, I've already used them to open a Geekpay account, so I can't use them to open another Geekpay account. If not, I would have taken you through the whole process. But from here is very easy. Just put in the code that will be sent to your phone, and then you put in a password. You create a password, and the account will be created. Then all you need to do is to verify the account. Now, how can you verify the account? You can verify the account using your NIN, your national ID card, your international passport, and then they also ask you to take a photo of yourself. You can do this in daylight, whereby they capture your face, and then once they get this data they process it, and in like an hour or 2 hours they will verify the account, and when they verify the account you'll now be able to create a US dollar account, a pounds dollar account, and an euro dollar account. Now, Payoneer is a platform that gives you access to foreign accounts like a USD account, a British pounds account, a euro account, a Japanese account, different types of accounts. So all you just need to do is to go to Google, search Payoneer, then it will show you this option. You click on this link right here, and it's going to open online business payments for today's global economy. Now just click on open your account or click on register. So just click on register. Now the name that you are putting here, make sure that it is your legal name that is on your government's ID card, because you are going to verify these accounts for you to be able to use it, for them to give you access to a USD account. They are going to verify every information you've imputed here. So just go ahead and fill in your legal name and all the correct information on that as it is on your government ID card. Me, I already have an account that I've created and I have verified, so I can't create another Pioneer account with that same name, or else they'll block my account. So I'll just use like a dummy details to get through this stage. I'll just use a dummy details to get over this stage. Now, in this place that says tell us more about your business, you just click on not a registered freelancer or solo trader. Then, how do you receive your cross border payments? Receive payments online, receive payment from online marketplaces only, receive payment from freelance platforms only, receive payment from business clients only, receive payment from both freelance platform and business clients. So you just click on receive payment from both freelance platforms and business clients. Then what is the estimated value of your cross border transaction each month? I think just put 10,000 to 50,000 or more than 50,000 USD. Then I would like to receive communication from Payoneer regarding products, promotion and events. You can check this or you can just leave it like that. Then no, I don't want to receive communication from Payoneer regarding products and promotion. By clicking the button below, you are confirming that you have read and understand Payoneer's privacy policy. So just click on next. They say thanks, please continue your registration while our sales will contact you in the next 24 to 48 hours. So I'll just click on open account. Now this is like the main sign up process. So no, my business isn't registered. You click on it like that because you have not registered it. Then you put in your date of birth. Let me look for something to put here. So after putting date of birth, I'll just click on next. Now make sure whatever you are filling here is what is exactly on your government ID card, because they are going to verify. I have already created an account, that's why I am not putting my real details. So you just type in your street number. So I just put in this address. Now you'll be asked to put your phone number, then they will send a verification code, and this verification code you just input it here, and you click on this next button, which will take you to the next step. But now I have already used my number to verify my own account, so I'm not going to put that. After doing this, they are going to take you to this security details. Just keep on following the prompts, and follow the instructions that they outline to you, and by so doing you are going to get to the last point, whereby once you've created it, you will now be taken to the accounts where they will now ask you to verify by uploading your government details to match the information you're already giving them. And if it matches the information that you've given them during the registration process, they will approve your account, and then you can now create your USD account, your pounds account, and your euro account. So just follow the process, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. In this video we're going to look at how to open a Cleva account. Now a Cleva account gives you access to a USD account that you can use to receive payments from international marketplace and foreign clients. Now just go to Google and search for Cleva, Cleva, and click on open a Cleva USD account. Smart USD banking for you and your business. Just click on create an account. Now you're going to enter your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, your password, referral code. How did you hear about Cleva? No, yeah, from YouTube. So just click on from YouTube. Then keep me in the loop. I consent to receiving emails about Cleva. Then I have read the agreement of Cleva. Then you click on create account. And as soon as you click on that create account, it's going to take you to a place where you will upload your government ID card, upload your government documents to verify the information that you've uploaded, the information that you've just given here them on the sign up page. And then once they are able to verify that the information you've given them is legit, they will verify your account, and you will now be able to create a USD bank account that you can use to receive payments from clients. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification so you get notified whenever I post a video. Then share this video with your friends, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.